As filmmakers and content creators, we know that drone footage can instantly elevate the entire production of any project, whether it's a cinematic sequence, a commercial, a travel film, or social media content. Having a reliable drone that delivers excellent video quality is vital for bringing your story to life. That's why today, we're taking a closer look at the new Potensic Atom 2 drone. For starters, the Potensic Atom 2 is equipped with a brand new 1/2 inch Sony CMOS sensor, and it has a 26mm equivalent lens with an aperture of f1.8. Additionally, it also features an 8K photo resolution mode, 4K HDR video, a brand new remote with an impressive 10km video transmission range with PixSync 4.0 and a 1080p live view. It also features powerful AI tracking capabilities as well as a AI Super Night mode for capturing better low-light videos with less noise, and it also has a smart transfer feature that allows you to download videos from your phone and post them directly to social media. And it also offers a ton more features that honestly makes this drone worth considering. The Potensic Atom 2 is designed with content creators in mind, especially travelers and adventurers who want a compact, easy to carry drone that weighs under 249 grams. But don't let the size fool you though, it's packed with features that makes capturing smooth, professional looking footage effortless. With its foldable design and intuitive controls, the Atom 2 is all about convenience without sacrificing quality, making it the perfect companion for filming on the go. This is the FlyMore combo version, which means you get a carrying bag to store the drone and all of its accessories, as well as a charging hub that features quick charge, and it allows you to charge all 3 batteries that you have at the same time, which is really nice. And you also get 8 pairs of extra propellers, cables, screwdrivers, and screws, and a ton of other accessories. Honestly, if you're planning to buy this drone, I would definitely consider the FlyMore combo over the standard kit, because like I mentioned, it comes with 3 batteries instead of 1, and it also comes with plenty of other accessories that you might possibly need if you, for example, end up crashing the drone or replacing any part. Now, like I mentioned, the Atom 2 features a newly improved 1/2 inch Sony sensor with an aperture of f1.8, and this not only results in a sharper image quality, but it also performs much better in low light compared to the first Atom 1. And it's a noticeable upgrade, and because it offers 8K photo resolution and 48 megapixel photos, I also noticed the photos taken on this drone are also really nice with nice amount of contrast and saturation. I recently did a real estate photo shoot using the Potensic Atom 2, and the photos came out really good and I was very happy with the results. It also offers JPEG and RAW, so you have full control over your image in post-production. Now, I'm not too sure if you guys remember, but in my Potensic Atom 1 review, I mentioned that the camera was pretty solid in video mode, and I just wish it had a flat picture profile for color grading. But surprisingly, the new Atom 2 now offers a P-Log flat picture profile, which allows you to color grade your footage. And even though the video files are only 8-bit instead of 10, you still get plenty of flexibility when color grading. It also helps you to capture that perfect look to match your mood and your story. And overall, I can definitely see the big difference when filming a natural profile compared to the P-Log. P-Log just has noticeably better dynamic range and brings out more details in the highlights. And overall, the video quality on the Potensic Atom 2 is actually really impressive for its size and price. I can definitely see the direction where Potensic is heading with their camera. And I also got to test it on a e-bike commercial that I recently shot, and the shots came out very stunning and really cinematic looking. It can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second, HDR videos, and it also offers multiple slow-mo options in 1080p, and the videos are saved in either H.264 or H.265 with a maximum bitrate of 100 Mbps. Especially useful for content creators is their vertical shooting aspect ratio, perfect for posting on social media, and overall, the footage looks sharp, detailed, and well balanced straight out of the camera. Colors are vibrant without being oversaturated, and thanks to the new 1/2 inch Sony sensor, it handles exposure and highlights much better compared to the previous model. In low light, it still manages to retain a good amount of detail with minimal noise. And when you switch to the P-Log flat picture profile, you get even more flexibility in post, making it easier to color grade and match your shots for a more cinematic look. Now, one thing that I really like about Potensic is how many features they implemented on their new Potensic Atom 2, like their powerful AI tracking, which is really reliable and extremely accurate. And it also has Spotlight, which keeps the subject in the center of the screen, perfect for hikers or adventurers. It also has two AI follow modes, follow and parallel, which is perfect for following a subject, for example bike riding, and the AI tracking does a very good job in keeping the subject locked in. It also features quick shots like pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, boomerang, and dolly zoom. This means it allows you to capture stunning creative shots effortlessly. These AI tracking features makes this the perfect drone for those of you that like to film by yourself. The AI tracking features are so powerful that it makes solo content creators and filmmakers get professional looking footage without the help of a drone operator. Especially useful on the Potensic Atom 2 is their new AI night mode, which enables users to capture crystal clear footage in low light conditions, making it a great option to capture stunning cityscapes, night landscapes, and sunset shots. In addition to the AI tracking, it also has a lot of interesting shooting modes like dolly zoom, cine roll, and cruise control. Like I mentioned, the thing that I really like about Potensic on their drones is just how much features they add, and with all these new features that they added on the Potensic Atom 2, you normally see them on way more expensive drones, which is really nice to see that they are implementing them here. The camera also features multiple modes like panorama 180-degree wide angle, perfect for landscapes. You also get a burst mode and interval timer shooting mode, as well as a 4x digital zoom. Now, I wouldn't actually use the 4x digital zoom, especially for video, because I did notice that the image does get a little bit softer and it loses detail, but it comes in handy, for example, if you're exploring an area and you need that quick zoom. Despite how light and compact it is, it's made out of high quality materials, ensuring durability and stability. And speaking about stability, the Atom 2 is extremely stable when flying. It features a level 5 wind resistant, which ensures smooth and steady footage even when flying the drone in windy conditions. And overall, it's almost impossible not to get professional looking results with this drone, thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. The footage stays smooth and stable, making it effortless to capture cinematic shots. With a newly improved, redesigned remote controller, the Potensic Atom 2 offers up to 10km range, which allows users to get shots further away, and it also has a much better improved feed live of 1080p resolution, resulting in a much more clear live image. The controller has an ergonomic design that provides a comfortable grip when you are holding it for a better flying experience, and it's built really well with high quality materials. Overall, if you're looking for a drone that offers high quality video with tons of AI features, the Potensic Atom 2 is the ultimate tool for filmmakers and content creators. Whether you are a professional or a beginner, the Atom 2 is the perfect drone for anyone who wants to capture high quality cinematic footage effortlessly. As always, the links to purchase the Potensic Atom 2 will be down below in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.